N39400 series is a multi-channel programmable DC power supply. Its output voltage range is 60 volt and 150 volt. Output power range is 200 watt, 360 watt, 600 watt. N39400 standalone supports max 4 channels output, with channels isolated. It can be widely used in lab test, system integration test, production aging line, etc. Standard 19-inch 2U design, equipped with LCD screen. Built-in RS-232 LAN communication interface, dual LAN ports design. CC and CV priority function. Multiple protections, OVP, OCP, OPP, OTP. UI flat icons offer convenient and quick operation.